Celebrities are also investing in Bitcoin. Most people were unfamiliar with cryptocurrency when it was in its infancy. Because of their nature, many individuals found it difficult to grasp them at first, much less even invest in them. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, began to acquire momentum as their reputation expanded with time. Engineers, developers, and entrepreneurs were the only ones who invested in them in the past. Few people expected Bitcoin to become what it is now when it was initially released. It was more popular among programmers, who became billionaires once it surpassed the $60,000 mark. Nonetheless, some celebs thought it was worth it and invested in it, and it was undoubtedly a wise decision. Elon Musk, despite frequently mocking Bitcoin on Twitter, Tesla's techno king is possibly the most prominent figure in the Bitcoin community. At the very same time, he is the most powerful figure in the Bitcoin industry. All hell burst loose in January 2021 when he added #Bitcoin to his Twitter account, causing BTC's price to skyrocket by 25%. In addition, he stated that his firm purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, which equals 7.7% of Tesla's overall cash position and around 15% of its net cash position. Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter and Square, Jack Dorsey, is a fervent Bitcoin supporter. His passion for BTC began in 2017 when he began campaigning for the King coin. Despite the fact that the crypto market plummeted in 2018, Dorsey remained undeterred, describing Bitcoin as the next world currency, notwithstanding the digital currency's lowest point in many years. Dorsey stated in March 2019 that he invests several $1,000s per week on Bitcoin.
Do you want to make money on cryptocurrency just like these celebrities? Then I have something to offer you. This asset returned 1,466% to investors last year. Do you really want to skip again? You don't need to invest a lot of money to get started. In fact, you can test the water for as little as $10. You do not need to sit at a computer trading. This is not stocks or securities. You don't need to be an experienced investor to earn returns between 28% and 1466%, or more. Interesting? Then follow the links in the description and find out the details.
Mike Tyson, a famous professional boxer and social media celebrity, was one of the first celebrities to recognize the potential of Bitcoin. He was pleased to be a part of the digital revolution, collaborating with Bitcoin ATM makers and having his face tattooed on the machines. Not to mention, Iron Mike's collaboration with Bitcoin Direct to offer a BTC mobile wallet. Maisie Williams, who plays Daenerys Targaryen on Game of Thrones, joined the Bitcoin ride in November 2020 after asking her Twitter followers for guidance on how to acquire Bitcoin. Despite the fact that the bulk of the answers advised her not to, she went ahead and did it anyway. Mark Cuban, the billionaire shark and owner of the Dallas Mavericks, appeared to have a sweet-sour relationship with Bitcoin. He advised people to put at least 10% of their portfolio into Bitcoin at one point, but then indicated that he would rather have bananas than Bitcoin. He subsequently explained, though, that he had held numerous different cryptos from Coinbase's early days. Snoop Dogg. Snoop's Bitcoin journey began in 2012, when Bitcoin was still in its infancy. With BTC, he made his songs available for purchase. Each poster album costs 0.3 Bitcoins, or around $14,000 at the current value of Bitcoin. He hasn't said how many CDs he has sold, as well as how much BTC he has is unknown. Steven Seagal, the actor and Aikido martial arts instructor, has become a well-known figure in the cryptocurrency world, although his exact Bitcoin holdings are unclear. In 2020, he was charged for unlawfully promoting a BTC rival by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, and he promised to pay a $314,000 punishment. Kanye West. Kanye West stated that Bitcoin represents America's ultimate emancipation, expressing his support for the most renowned cryptocurrency. However, the amount of Bitcoin owned by the American rapper is unknown. Floyd Mayweather Jr. Among some of the top celebrities who hold Bitcoin is the well-known professional boxer. He tweeted in 2017 that he was squandering his Bitcoin fortune in Beverly Hills. The SEC penalized him and DJ Khaled in 2018 for promoting an unlawful initial coin offering, ICO. Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi is widely regarded as one of the best players of all time, if not the greatest of all time. Since his arrival in Barcelona in 2003, Messi has regularly generated magic on the field with goals, dribbles, and talents. Furthermore, Messi is well versed in blockchain technology. Surin Labs, a blockchain-based secure mobile and all-in-one PC, named the Argentinian superstar as a worldwide brand ambassador. Messi is among the most well-known figures on the planet. He has a sizable following. He is a hero to many people all around the world. Therefore, he expressed his enthusiasm for blockchain after his Instagram post. After that, many individuals had a different perspective on blockchain technology. Richard Branson. Richard Branson is the owner of the Virgin Group and a British businessman. Branson participated in a $30 million financing round led by BitPay, a Bitcoin payment processing network, in 2014. He did not reveal his position or the amount of Bitcoin he holds, but he did say that he is aware of the possible advantages of actual Bitcoin advances. Ashton Kutcher, a well-known Hollywood actor, is a significant tech investor and a supporter of blockchain technology. Many people look up to Kutcher as a role model, and his engagement with Bitcoin is beneficial to the business. "I think Bitcoins are definitely becoming more and more pertinent," he remarked in a CNBC interview in 2013. With all of these well-known figures, as well as big corporations and organizations, betting on Bitcoin, it looks that the revolution is well underway. Although it's unknown whether the digital currency will be widely accepted or if and how long it can maintain its current value, we do realize that Bitcoin has worth in the eyes of the world's most powerful individuals.